Hello students, last part we have studied about the law of energy flow. According to the Carl Lindemann in 1942, he proposed that only 10% energy flows from one tropic level to another tropic level, and rest of 90% energy will be lost during the respiration, digestion and searching of other metabolic activities. Now we will study about ecological pyramid. What is ecological pyramid? Different ecological parameters can be represented in the graphical representation. It is the graphical representation of the various ecological parameters of food chain in an area of different It is the graphical representation of ecological pyramid of food chain in an area of different species. The ecological pyramid is mainly three types. Number one, number of pyramid. Number two, number of biomass. And number three, pyramid of energy. There is three type of ecological pyramid. Pyramid of number भी कह सकते हैं, pyramid of biomass and pyramid of energy. These three types of pyramid of ecological pyramid. First one we will take number of pyramid, या first one pyramid of number भी कह सकते हैं. It is the representation of the number of individuals in this representation. The producers which has the highest number of organisms is kept at the bottom. The herbivores which are minimum than producers, then above the producers or the top carnivores. At the highest level, हाईएस्ट लेवल पे पुट कैप्ट किया जाता है, लेकिन नंबर ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म एज वी गो फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर टू टॉप कार्निवोर्स द नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल विल बी रिड्यूस्ड, बट दे हैव द लोएस्ट number of organisms. Pyramid of number can be represented by two types, upright and the inverted. This is the upright pyramid. Pyramid of number is of two types. First one, upright, or second one, inverted. This is the upright, means the producer number of producers is highest and the top carnivore is lowest. For example, this one we can represent by the graphical representation. Producers, number of producers is the highest. Then the herbivores, number of organisms in herbivores put up into a next ecological pyramid, but it has lowest number of organisms. Primary consumers, and then the secondary consumer is lowest. Then the primary consumer, just like as tertiary consumer or top carnivore is lowest. This is the upright. As we go from lowest to highest level, the number of organism reduce. तो इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, नंबर ऑफ pyramid, and it will reduce the number of organism as we go from producer to top carnivore. This is the upright number of pyramid. Then second one is inverted pyramid. Inverted number of pyramid. In this pyramid, the number of organisms highest or the most as we go from producer to carnivores or consumers. For example, a large fruit tree has many frugivores. Frugivores means the birds which eat fruit. Fruit eater birds are known as frugivores. आप कह सकते हैं fruit eaters. A fruit tree contains many number of organisms. कौन से? Frugivores. And the number of termites, tick and lice which are highest than the birds, or the number of tick, lice, termites, bugs are higher than the frugivores. Then this type of pyramid is inverted. How? It contains only a single large tree. A single large tree, that is producer. Which contain many fruit eaters. Fruit eaters means the birds are maximum than the producers. Fruit eaters, या आप कह सकते हैं frugivores, is the number of organism highest than the producers. and the lices or bugs are the most. Lices, bugs and teak, these are the number of organisms. As we go from lower to highest level, the number of organisms increase. This type of pyramid is inverted. Means it contains producers. It has only one single one, tree. That contains the large number of birds which are fruit eaters, highest, and lices, bugs are more maximums. So this type of pyramid is inverted number of pyramid. One more pyramid can be seen in number of pyramid, that is spindle. नंबर ऑफ पिरामिड में आप थर्ड भी शो कर सकते हैं, स्पाइंडल. It means a single large tree which contains a more number of birds, fruit eaters. But a single hawk can be eat of many birds. In this pyramid, a large tree which contains, which has many fruit eaters, birds, and these birds eaten by a single hawk और ईगल कह सकते हैं. इसका स्पाइंडल आपको पिरामिड शो रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, ए प्रोड्यूसर, सिंगल लार्ज ट्री प्रोड्यूसर which has only single one, and it contains maximum number of fruit eaters, birds. Or many birds can be eaten by a single hawk. It means the hawk is lowest. The number of hawk is lowest. Then first one is producer, that is very less. Then the birds, and hawk is also less than birds. This type of pyramid is known as spindle pyramid. Number of pyramids we can represent by three types: pyramid of numbers, upright, pyramid of number inverted, and pyramid of number spindle. Next one is number of biomass. Number of biomass. The organic matter which present the most in number as dry weight, टेरेस्ट्रियल मैक्सिमम, जो टेरेस्ट्रियल के ऊपर जो ऑर्गेनिक मैटर प्रेजेंट है, दैट शुड बी हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ बायोमास कंटेन, एंड दैट कंटेन्स इन ड्राई वेट. एज वी नो दैट only the 10% biomass is consumed by the organisms of the next level, or 90% biomass is wasted. The biomass, if the biomass is present, the maximum number that can be survive to the other organisms. फॉर एग्जाम्पल फॉरेस्ट वगैरह कह सकते हैं, जिस प्रकार से आपके ऊपर मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ प्रोड्यूसर्स प्रेजेंट है, देन प्रोवाइड द फूड टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल, एंड प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स, प्राइमरी टू सेकेंडरी, सेकेंडरी टू टर्शरी. इट मीन्स number of biomass is present. If excess amount, so in this pyramid, the number of biomass, आप कह रहे in this pyramid, the producers are the highest level, means highest number, that is at the bottom, or the lowest number of consumers is highest level. Intermediate in the between. For example, इस pyramid को represent करेंगे that this should be producer to primary carnivores to secondary carnivores, secondary to tertiary carnivores. Number of biomass is also two types, upright and inverted. This is the upright. आप इसमें ही कह सकते हैं number of biomass that should be two types, upright. और upright में आप क्या शो कर देंगे? Number of producers is the highest and then the number of top carnivore is the lowest. Producers which put at the bottom and the top carnivore of the topest, आप कह सकते हैं crest. And next one, intermediate at the between. This is the upright number of biomass. Then the next one is inverted number of biomass. Inverted number of biomass. उसी का सेकंड पार्ट है inverted number of biomass. In this pyramid, the biomass aquatic, the producers are the less number than the consumers. एक्वेटिक के अंदर आप क्या करेंगे? प्रोड्यूसर मीन्स फाइटोप्लैंक्टन्स आर लेस देन द कंज्यूमर्स. कंज्यूमर जू प्लैंक्टन, स्मॉल फिश, लार्ज फिश. तो ये आप कर सकते हैं जू प्लैंक्टन्स. such as the phytoplanktons are consumed by the zooplankton. Zooplankton to small fish and small fish to large fish. Phytoplankton number of zooplankton is the maximum than the phytoplanktons. Zooplankton to number of small fish, number of large fish. So as we go from producer to consumers, the number of organism in this inverted number of biomass is increases. But upright, as you go from producer to consumers, number of biomass, number of organism, that should be decrease. Then the last one is pyramid of energy. What is pyramid of energy? Pyramid of energy is only single type. It always forms upright, not inverted, because energy flow from producer to consumer, not consumer to producers. Third one, pyramid of energy. As we know that the energy is produced by the producers. So, according to Lindemann, कब 1942, only 10% energy flows from one tropic level to the next. Means energy always produced by the producer in the presence of sunlight. As we know that 1% energy, solar energy, is trapped by the producer. Thus, the number energy flow from producer to consumers. It means highest number of energy contained in producers, then 10% energy flow from the next tropic level. So you can represent this number of energy in the graphical representation. As we know that producer trap only 1% solar energy. It means if the sun contains 10 lakhs joule solar energy, then the producer contains only 10,000. Why? 1% solar energy is consumed by the producer in photosynthesis process. Producer to herbivores means primary consumer. 10,000 का कितना? 10% means 1,000 joule. Primary consumers to secondary consumer 100 joule. Secondary to tertiary और top carnivores कैसे कहते हैं? Tertiary consumer कैसे कहते हैं? कितनी? 10 joule. As we know that pyramid of energy graphical representation is always upright, not inverted. Why? Because energy is produced by the producer, not from the consumers. So energy flow from the producer to consumers, not consumers to producers. It always from producer to consumers. Only 10%. This 10% energy flows laws we have already studied about the energy flows law. Clear?